AI for LinkedIn posts. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open your browser and go to 𝗕𝘂𝘀𝗀𝘀. Then click Get Start for free and sign up using your Google account to create an account quickly. Once you're logged in, look at the dashboard menu and click Create New AI. On the next screen, click Generate to proceed. You will then see a field where you can write a description of the post idea you want to create. For example, you could type a carousel post for LinkedIn on the topic 5 presentation tips, and then click Generate Outline to let 𝗕𝘂𝘀𝘀𝗀 prepare the structure. After a short moment, 𝗕𝘂𝘀𝘀𝘀 will create a draft post for you to review. Next, locate the ratio section. Choose the display ratio you prefer for your post, and then click Generate to finalize the visuals and layout. When the post is ready, click the Share button, choose the Export option, and then select LinkedIn as the destination. Write a short and clear post description in the provided box. Then click Post to LinkedIn. The carousel format post will be automatically published to your LinkedIn account.